Hey, Eagle Run 2-3 here. Well, we did something bad. Let me show you this. Yeah. We did a bad thing here. We had a beautifully seasoned grill top here that I just absolutely destroyed. So after a breakfast cook, scraped the grill down clean, wiped it down. I usually leave this setting on here. That's not uncommon. But for whatever reason on this day, I closed the lid. And I guess there was just enough residual heat in there. We have a thin plastic coating on everything and a completely melted handle. Oh look, it still says Blackstone. That's funny. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do to clean this or fix this. We're gonna have to figure it out. Definitely put this off for a week because I just don't know what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna dig in, figure this out today. I think I'm going to scrape off as much as I can, and then I'm gonna get it hot and try to scrub it down. Definitely am going to have to re-season my entire grill top here, but we'll just use it as a chance to clean up everything and kind of start fresh, because we use this grill top nearly every day, and so we haven't used it in a week, and I don't want to go another week not using it. So let's figure this out. Fixing this will be another episode. I'm gonna make a new wooden handle for this, so we're pretty much just gonna set this aside and come back to that project later. check it out. So best I can tell, I am down to bare steel, or cast iron as it were, and it looks like, I don't know, maybe what I thought was plastic was not plastic residue. I don't know, there was definitely a plastic residue there, but not as bad as I thought it was. And I'm almost regretting, I don't know, it's hard to say. There's nothing wrong with starting over, but I had a really nice seasoning on there. All right, well, let's heat this up and clean it how we normally do, and then I'll run a season on it. Okay, so we're gonna end this off right here. Not really gonna do a tutorial on seasoning, but I do like to use canola oil. That's what I see a lot of the professionals using on walks and things like that. So definitely I use canola oil. I had a great finish on here before I ruined it. Sorry, neighbors weed eating, but I'll let you go right there. So neighbors weed eating, and I gotta finish this video right here. So sorry about the noise. We'll see you next time.